Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another life skills video. Now the way in which these videos work is this. There are three sections. This first section gives you a broad outline of the subject and the topics that we'll be covering as part of that subject. The middle section then deals with the meat of the subject, the detail, and I have found it best to do that through a series of slides. And then the final section is just a quick summary of what we have covered. Now, in case you miss anything, all the detail that you hear and that you see in this video is also set out in the description box below, and in addition there are some links to other relevant videos. So, having done the quick introduction, let's just get into it. Okay, let's get into it. We're looking at 6 parts to a better business plan. In other words, how to make it better. My advice, as always, is to read the small print. So, first part then is the what and the who of your business plan, where you need to set out your long-term business goals and you need to explain who is in your business. You need to describe who does what in the business so there's a complete picture of what and who in that part of the business plan. You need to elucidate your track record of success so far, all the relevant experience. The next part of the business plan needs to look at the market and the prospects. In other words, you need to give details of the competition and the market you will be working in, and you need to put in plain words why you think you will be successful in the face of that competition. The next part of your plan involves you and others. So there are 2 parts to this. So part 1 really is you need to explain what you have got that others haven't. You need to give details, in other words, of your competitive advantage. Now, the next part 2 of you and others, is to look at giving a straightforward explanation of your business strategy. In other words, how you plan to succeed. You need to explain why the competition does not have your advantage and what prevents it from taking that advantage away from you. Now, the next part of your business plan, part 4, needs to look at your aims and your ends. In other words, you need to set out your business goals. You need goals that are SMART. So they have to be specific, they have to be measurable, they have to be achievable, realistic and timed. Now your timescale on goals will vary. They need to have goals that are short, 1 to 3 years, and long-term goals that are 3 to 5 years. And that's the difference between aims and ends in that part of your business plan. Now the next bit, the 5th bit of your business plan, involves money. That's quite important, so there are 2 parts to this. You need to address your likely income and expenditure backed up with realistic spreadsheets. And you need to cover a number of things: pricing methodology, profitability over the short term, which remember is 1 to 3 years, and any capital expenditure. The second part of the money element in your business plan needs to look at your budget and your cash flow analysis. The finances will make or break your business plan, so you need to prepare them thoroughly and get professional help if that is necessary. Finally then, you need to look at risks and rewards. In other words, you need to revisit the risks in your proposed business, and you need to put in plain words how you would deal with those risks. And if you can do all that, well, your business plan will be much better. You need to give details of the estimated return for an investment in the business if you want to secure support from others. But if you can do that, well, the better business plan is as easy as that. Okay, so I hope you found that life skills video useful and interesting. And as I've said before, all the detail which I've covered in this video is also set out to assist you in the description box below, and you will also see a number of links to other relevant life skills videos. Now all that's really left for me to say after that is that if you like this video, please mark it as a like, and if you wish to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. Finally then, let me just say thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.